Organic compounds form the backbone of life and are all around us, often in ways we don't even realize. These compounds, primarily made of carbon and hydrogen atoms, are responsible for a wide variety of materials, products, and processes that we encounter every day. In this lecture, we will explore the wide-ranging applications of organic compounds in daily life and understand their significance in making modern living possible. To begin, let us briefly classify organic compounds based on their structures and functional groups. Hydrocarbons, which include alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes, are simple organic compounds consisting only of hydrogen and carbon. These are mainly used as fuels. Alcohols, such as ethanol and methanol, are another important group, used in beverages. Esters, known for their pleasant smells, are used in perfumes and flavorings. One of the most noticeable applications of organic compounds is in the food industry. Organic acids, like citric acid found in citrus fruits, and acetic acid in vinegar, are used both for flavor and as preservatives. Esters contribute to the fruity aroma and taste in candies, soft drinks, and baked goods. Artificial sweeteners, such as saccharin and aspartame, are synthesized organic compounds that provide sweetness without calories. Additionally, organic compounds like vitamins, vitamin C or ascorbic acid, and vitamin A or retinoid are essential nutrients. These are often added to processed foods to enhance their nutritional value. In the field of medicine, organic chemistry plays a vital role. Most drugs are organic compounds designed to interact with specific biological molecules. For example, paracetamol, known as acetaminophen, is a commonly used analgesic and antipyretic. Aspirin, another organic compound, is used as a painkiller and anti-inflammatory drug. Antibiotics, like penicillin, are derived from organic sources and essential for fighting bacterial infections. Chemotherapy drugs, made from organic compounds, are used to treat cancer. Not just medicines, even hospital equipment like antiseptics and disinfectants rely on organic chemistry for their effectiveness. Clothing and fabrics, the clothes we wear often owe their origins to organic compounds. Natural fibers like cotton and wool are organic materials. Synthetic fibers such as polyester and nylon are manufactured using organic chemistry. These compounds are treated and processed to give us comfortable and durable fabrics. Organic compounds are critical in energy production. Fossil fuels like gasoline and diesel are organic compounds. Biofuels, derived from plants, are sustainable alternatives. These fuels power our cars, planes, and factories. Look around you, plastics are everywhere. Plastics are made from organic compounds like polymers. Your soaps and shampoos are crafted using organic compounds. Fertilizer contain organic molecules to improve soil quality. Organic compounds contribute to advanced technology. These innovations are shaping the future of gadgets. It's also important to recognize the environmental implications of organic compounds. Many organic materials, especially plastics, are non-biodegradable and contribute significantly to environmental pollution. Volatile organic compounds, found in paints, air fresheners, and cleaning agents, can contribute to air pollution and have health effects. That's why there is a growing emphasis on green chemistry and the development of eco-friendly organic products, such as biodegradable plastics, organic farming methods, and plant-based cleaning agents. In conclusion, organic compounds are deeply integrated into our daily lives.